Hi guys, I was getting ready and then I was like, wait, I haven't done my makeup yet. My hair's in curlers. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my makeup, okay? So, it's gonna be a fun time. And I'll show you guys all the products I use and exactly what I do. This is just gonna be like as if I was getting ready for the day. So right now I have literally no makeup on. Just got in the shower, blow dry my hair, put some curlers. Usually I wear it like just naturally wavy, but today I was like, I want to put some actual curls in it. So what I do, I don't really wear like any primers or anything like that just because I want like as less on my skin as possible because I don't want my like pores to get clogged. And my favorite is like Bare Minerals. I love Bare Minerals, everything for my face because it's also minerals for your skin. And my skin, if I wear a ton of makeup, if I wear MAC or something on my face, I like break out if I like wear it consistently. Sometimes I'll wear it for a photo shoot or something, but usually I'll always wear Bare Minerals. And if you like liquid form, it comes in liquid form, and it comes in this compressed form too. So this is like a compressed one, and then this is liquid, and then I have also a powder that's like loose powder. So it's literally whatever you want. But I just got this one and I'm really loving it. So this is what I'm gonna use. Just put it on my brush, put it on my face. And yes, I do have freckles, and usually in my pictures you can't see it because I cover them with this because it's covering, and like it's really easy to cover them. Like I'm not putting that much on and you can already hardly see them. But yeah. Counting all this money, getting used to having it. My wallet costs more than what I used to have. And now I'm going to do some eyeshadow. I just got this new Naked palette. I love it. It's this Urban Decay and it's called Heat and it's really cool. It's all my colors. Usually I don't really get them because I just wear the same color eyeshadow every day, and then they got a palette that's literally all the shades that I'm obsessed with, so I was really excited. And me, like I like these colors in here. This is like what I wear every single day. So I like to put it underneath my eye just a little bit. That's just like how I like to do it. It just like makes your eyes pop more. It's kind of hard to do my makeup in the camera mirror, so don't judge me, I look funny. So that's like what I do right here. I'm like super simple. I don't always wear like it this intense. If I just want to wear like a little bit, I do that too. I just really love this color, okay? And then this purple color, if you have like green eyes like I do, I like to put it sometimes under my eye, like this. And on top a tiny bit, just so it's like kind of like eyeliner. Okay, and then I finally found a bronzer that I love. My face looks like super white because like the sun's shining on my face, so it looks a little funny. This is the bronzer I use. It's from Too Faced and it's really good because it's like super dark and I like the really dark ones. The highlighter I've been using since I broke my other one that I love, I've been using this one, and it's like strobe highlighter, and it's pretty good. It's from Revolution, Makeup Revolution London, I don't know, it's pretty good. And then I use a brush like this to put it on, and what I do is I just line it directly down my nose, and then I put it like a little bit there, and then I just put it literally I put a little bit on my lips. And then for my eyebrows, what I do, I get a lot of makeup on my brows when I'm doing my makeup because it's like the powder and stuff and I want them to look darker. I take off all the makeup off my brows and then I like brush them up a little bit. I don't fill them in or anything. I have a lot of hair on on my brows, so I don't really need to do that. Then I'm going to put some mascara on my eyeballs. Sure.
Oh, you're doing a makeup tutorial?
Yeah. So I was doing my makeup and then I was like, why is watching a video of it?
Alright guys, I came in here, she was doing a makeup tutorial, man. Simple girl, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, guys,
it looks pretty. Oh, and you should see that basket we made. It's sick.
Thank you, guys. It's so sweet. What? Oh, you guys did it already?
Yeah.
Aww. You know, girls like this kind of guys. Okay, so now I'm finishing them. I'm putting it on the bottom. Sorry. So the mascara, I literally hate, I get it all over me. Does anyone else do their mascara and they just get it all over them? I can't just like not just get it all over my face. I'm the worst at doing it. Okay, my eyelashes are done. And yes, these eyelashes are real. I should do a tutorial on how I get my eyelashes to be long, and maybe I will because I love you guys. And then I like to finish it off with this powder. It's from Bare Minerals. It's called Perfecting Veil. Just like the foundations, this also comes in a loose powder. I like it like this, like because I can bring this places, and it has like a little thing. Oh crap! Well, I dropped it, but it comes with like a little thing. So like when I'm out and about, I can like do that. The powder one, you need a brush, and it's kind of messy, but it's still really good. That one's the first one, and it's really good. I forgot to show you the mascara. I'm so sorry. This is the mascara. It's called Get Big Lashes. It's from Essence. It's just like this really, it's like super cheap, and it's at Ulta. And I freaking love it. It's great. Like it's like cheap. It's like $3.99 or something, and it works pretty good. I mean, it gets the job done. So I'll go to like Lancome and get really expensive ones, and they aren't really that different. So, and then I like to spray. Then I like to spray my face with this Prep and Prime, and it's coconut, and it smells really good, and I just like to like mist down my face. So it's also hydrating, so I'm just like feeling like all exotic and like coconut. I feel like I'm on the beach. Okay, but I'm gonna let my hair out and show you guys the final look. I will do another tutorial on how I put the curlers on my hair so you guys can get this look. It's really simple. You just plug the curlers in while you're in the shower, and then when you get out, blow dry, put it in, and then have your hair being curled while you're doing your makeup. When you're using a flat, like an iron, you have to sit there and curl it the whole time, and I have a lot of hair, so like I can't do that. I need to multitask. So that's why the curlers are A1. So I hope you guys liked my first tutorial. I'm sorry if it sucks. It's my first time ever. I'm like having my phone set up on my camera set up on this weird thing. So like I'm gonna go get a tripod today, so it's a lot easier for me, and I don't have to like move around my room just to get a simple little video. So I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching if you watched all the way through, and I'll see you guys next video.